In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete your Exness verification, profile, email and phone, identity, address, and UPI owner match. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a fresh account to a fully verified one, so your deposits, withdrawals, and trading can run smoothly. First, log into your personal area. This is your secure dashboard for everything related to your account. Start by completing your economic profile. You'll be asked about your income and your trading experience. Answer honestly and thoroughly. These questions are part of regulatory requirements that help tailor risk disclosures and keep your account compliant. Before you move on, review your entries for typos to avoid delays. Next, verify your email and phone number. You'll receive codes sent to each. Enter the codes exactly as they appear. If a code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and request a new one rather than attempting multiple rapid requests. Double check that your email inbox can receive messages and that your phone number includes the correct country code. This step secures your account and ensures you receive important notifications. Now, confirm your identity. Upload a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure the full document is visible, the image is clear, and all corners are included. Avoid glare and shadows and use a high-resolution photo. The name, date of birth, and document number must be readable. Stick to common formats like JPG, PNG, or PDF, and keep the file within the platform's size limits. After that, verify your address. Provide a recent proof of residence, like a utility bill or bank statement that shows your full name, your residential address, and a visible issue date. Typically, documents should be recent, so choose one from the last few months. Screenshots or cropped images often get rejected. A full, uncropped page works best. Finally, ensure owner match between your Exness account and your UPI. The name on your Exness profile must be exactly the same as the name linked to your UPI, including spelling, order of names, and any middle names or initials. Even small differences can trigger a mismatch. If you notice any discrepancy, correct the name at the source before attempting UPI transactions to avoid payment failures. Once each item shows as approved in your personal area, you're all set. Take a moment to confirm everything looks right, and you'll be ready to use your account with confidence.